In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog page link to your Shopify store menu. We'll do this right inside the Shopify theme editor so your visitors can see your latest posts and easily jump to your full blog. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, open Online Store, then go to your current theme and choose Edit Theme or Customize. This opens the visual editor where you'll make all the changes you can preview in real time. Make sure you're working on the home page in the page selector at the top. The home page is the best place to surface your blog because it's where most visitors land. On the left, you'll see your page sections. Add a new section, then use the search field to quickly find what you need. Type blog to filter the options. Select blog posts. Grid. This section automatically pulls in posts from your blog and creates a clean, clickable layout. Add it to your page and position it where it makes the most sense for your design. Often just below a hero banner or featured products works well. Click Save to lock in the new section as you go. Now, let's fine-tune the content and make sure there's a clear path to your full blog. In the preview, click any placeholder text you see, such as a default callout like Browse our latest products. With the block selected, open the text settings so you can rewrite the copy to something relevant, like Read our latest articles or Visit the blog for more. Short, action-oriented text helps people know exactly what to do. Next, open Appearance to adjust the style so it matches your brand. If your theme supports it, choose a text size and weight that's easy to scan. Head into padding to add or reduce spacing above and below the section. A little breathing room helps the grid look intentional and not cramped. Update the title field of the section to something clear, like From the Blog or Latest Posts. If your theme provides a secondary title or a heading size control, set it so it blends with the rest of your homepage hierarchy. The goal is to make it noticeable without overpowering your main hero. Finally, click Save Again. Give your page a quick scroll to confirm the grid shows your posts and that your text invites people to view more. This setup highlights fresh content on your storefront and provides an obvious link through the section title or button to reach your full blog. When you're happy with how it looks,